In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as paid in Freshbooks. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or someone managing the accounts, keeping a clean record of your paid invoices not only helps you with organization, but also ensures your financial tracking stays accurate. Today, we'll go through this process step by step so you can seamlessly manage your accounting tasks with confidence. Let's start by navigating to the Invoices section in Freshbooks. This is your go-to hub where all your invoices are listed, be it outstanding, paid, or pending. Familiarizing yourself with this section is crucial as it offers a comprehensive view of your financial landscape. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all the invoices you've created. Take a moment here to find the specific invoice you want to mark as paid. It's important to ensure you're selecting the right one, as this action will record the payment for your records. After you've located the correct invoice, what's next is to click on it to open the details. You'll notice a menu labeled with the More Actions button, or sometimes represented by a 3 dots icon. This is a versatile tool within Freshbooks that allows you to execute additional actions on your invoices. Give that button a click and a list of options will appear. From here, choose the Add Payment option from the drop-down menu. This step is where the process starts getting specific. By selecting Add Payment, Freshbooks opens a new window dedicated to entering the details of the transaction. This function is pivotal as it verifies that the invoice is paid and reflects that status in your account balances. Now, you'll want to fill in the payment details. This includes crucial information such as the payment date and method, which could range from bank transfers to credit cards or even cash payments. Paying attention to these details ensures your records stay precise and typically aids with any future audits or reviews you might conduct. Once the details are filled out, the final step is to save this information. Click on the Add Payment button, or alternatively, you might see a green checkmark icon. By doing this, you're telling Freshbooks to update the invoice status to paid. This action also updates other related financial reports, which is why it's essential to make sure all details are entered correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully marked an invoice as paid in Freshbooks. Remember, this process helps not just in record keeping, but also in maintaining a solid overview of your cash flow, ensuring that you're always on top of your business finances. Thank you for following along and keep practicing to perfect your financial management skills.